Okay, last update for today on the Beater-51 project. I went through and I pulled off some of the decals already. Oddly, they're barely even staying on the airplane. I think they may have been removed before and tried to stuck back on, but you could tell they were lifting and something wasn't quite right there. It did not look anything like my other one. So went ahead, pulled them off anyway. I'm not gonna be using them, so I went ahead and ditched them. I went through and I found all the cracks that were in the fuselage here, what it had separated. And I used some of my good old Bob Smith Instacure. I covered all the cracks I could find with this. And then I used crystal clear Gorilla Tape, and I ran a span of Gorilla Tape across the fuselage here, both on the inside and outside. Both sides of fuselage to really try to reinforce and strengthen that area. You'd be surprised how much flex there was. Of course, when the wing is on, the wing will help support that, but I want to try to beef that area up as much as I can. Also went ahead and pulled the decals off the front, because like I said, they're not going to be used anyway. I found a piece of a balsa wood rod that was in the tail, and I went ahead and trimmed that back because it was sticking out, and that's a great thing to catch your finger on, so I went and trimmed that back. But yeah, it's starting to come together. When it's done, it finally will be a flyable P-51.